Hi, this is Pam, and I wanted to share today a little bit about this absolutely amazing conversation that I just had with a new friend from Norway, and I am hopeful that I am pronouncing her name correctly. Tune, again from Norway, and we just used the amazing technology of Skype to communicate with each other, and we talked about a whole bunch of things. But one thing that came up during our conversation was, of course, stuttering, because I am a person who stutters, and she is an aspiring speech language pathologist. And during the course of our conversation, Tune mentioned that she believes that she has the heart of a stutterer. And I just thought that was so amazing. And I asked her what she meant by that. And Tune said, well, I get it. I have some of the same emotions in my life that people who stutter have. And I can understand the frustration and the challenges and the opportunities that come with being a person who stutters and being a person who cares about people who stutter. So I just thought that was so amazing, that in addition to all kinds of things that we talked about, the heart of a stutterer, that just made me so happy that somebody would feel comfortable enough to say that. So certainly I think that Tune is going to make a wonderful speech language pathologist in her future, because she does get that. She talks to people who stutter. She makes it her business to understand what stuttering is about and how it touches our lives, and she's allowing stuttering into her life, and it touches her life as well. And to me, that means that she's going to be a wonderful companion to somebody that is traveling the stuttering journey. So, from this stutter rock star, I just wanted to share that quickly, and again say kudos to how wonderful technology is and Skype is, and that watch out world, Tune, the future SLP, gets it, and stuttering rocks.